My name is Florian Hoedt. I'm at the Thünen-Institute Center for Information Management. It's a federal research institute. And I'm the head of and have a working group. And we discussed how we could manage geodata in a better way. So we made a needs analysis. And we have discovered there's a huge demand for easy-to-use spatial data hub implementation in our institution, which is easy to use. As part of this, I looked around and tried to find a technical solution and found Geonot, which is an OS Geo project and is built out of several components. It's a geo management, content management stack built by Postgres, Django, PyCSW, GeoServer, and Maps.2 as client. And all these applications together provide OGC conformance services and a nice portal to use. And this portal gives the researchers some killer features for them. For example, they can easily drop in shapefiles in a drag and drop solution of the portal. Then the data will get ingested into the PostGIS database. And GeoServer will provide data stores and OGC services. And all this will just work behind the scenes, just like magic. And they will get a metadata wizard, which helps them to type in all the meta information they need. So this is the mentioned, this is the mentioned stack. These are the mentioned magic features there are. And now to some other features, like the metadata also has the attribute catalog, the feature catalog, and this makes it able for us to not only have the meta information for the data set, but also for the attributes, which is very helpful to know which property was measured by which method. And we can download data by filters like CQL filters in several different formats. And all of this is easy to use in one portal. Since the Geonot technology worked so well for us, I decided to become a member of the community. It's an OSGeo project. And after some time, they voted me into the project steering committee. And now my task there is to strengthen the scientific view of Geonot and with the other folks here together to shape the future of Geonot. And actively, I'm not that much of a developer, but all the bug fixes and translations and features I've done go into the upstream, into the Geonot core, and will work there for all Geonot users. And as Thünen-Institute, we are an active member and wanted to host the Geonot Summit, which is a dev conference, but we had to postpone it due to COVID. So what's next? We want to use the Geonot core as our technical basis for a new version of the Thünen Atlas, which will come early next year, which covers the full REST API and is a React-based single-page application, and should also provide services to Forge DOIs with the data-side metadata schema, and in the long term shall be built out to be the building block for the Spatial Data Hub reference implementation for the NFDI for Agri Consortium.